Welcome to our sprinkler system rescue series. For this video, we are rerouting a sprinkler line that has been forced out of the ground by a tree root, and the line has developed a small leak. So let's get started. Before we begin the process of digging out the old line, we'll turn off the water to the sprinkler system. In this case, it's at the water main. And now we're exposing the pipe to figure out how we're going to reroute that pipe. Looks like the best option is going to be to route the pipe near the curb and go around most of the tangle. Despite our best efforts to get a clear shot around the roots, there are still a couple of roots in the way that we'll have to deal with. A small chainsaw or hacksaw will make easy work of the roots that are too big to cut with a shovel. Sprinkler Warehouse sells both the Milwaukee Hacksaw and the battery-powered Fuel Hatchet, which is a small chainsaw, perfect for this task. We'll demonstrate the hacksaw on this route. Now we'll get in there and cut the pipe. Since there's no straight path around all these roots, this is the perfect application for flexible PVC pipe. Be sure and use glue that states it is appropriate for flexible PVC. Before applying primer and glue, we'll clean the mud off the existing PVC pipe where we're going to make the connection. Now apply primer and glue to the PVC pipe, the flex pipe, and the coupler. And push the coupler onto the existing pipe. Now we'll run the flexible PVC through our trench. The flex pipe has been cut to the necessary length, so now we'll clean off this PVC pipe and apply glue and primer to the other side, including the coupler. And now slide on the coupler. And apply some PVC glue to the flex pipe, and now work that flex pipe into the coupler. So our pipe repair is complete. Now just cover it all back up. You'll notice there's one piece of old pipe sticking out of the ground. It no longer connects to anything. We'd pull it out, but it's too wrapped up in the roots to remove without further damaging tree roots, so we'll just cut it off so it doesn't stick out above the ground. And now that it's all covered up, we are done. This repair is complete, and you can buy everything that you need to make this repair happen at your place from sprinklerwarehouse.com.